Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can log on to interview.com and you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about very important basic Java question, generics in Java. Generics is one of the core feature of Java programming and it was introduced in Java 5. Generics was added in Java 5 to provide compile time type checking, and removing risk of class cast exception that was common while working with collection classes. Generics are implemented using type eraser. Type eraser means after the compilation, the types that you mentioned in the collection will be removed. I'll be explaining you using the program. Generics does not support subtyping like number, year, and integer. This type of subtyping is not supported in the generics. Let's see an example so that you can understand. I have written a method called before generics. So I have a list here, and this list I have created a list. It's the raw type. That means looking at this line, I am not able to know what type of object this collection can hold. It can hold anything. That's what we are trying to do here. We are trying to add a string here, and we are trying to add an integer here. We are trying to add different types of objects here, and in the for loop I am trying to cast it to string without even knowing that integer has been added. If in case of client server programming, the server, if it does not know what is added in the client, then this problem will happen. So when trying to convert from integer to string, you will be getting a class cast exception. Whereas in generics, after generics introduced, looking at this line, I know what type of object this list can hold. So I know string is the object that this list can hold. So I'm going to add only the string. Even if I try to add an integer during the compile time itself, I'll be getting an error. It will say integer arguments is not applicable for this list, because we are saying to the compiler this can hold only string. Even if I try to add integer or any other object, it will not allow. So there is no possible for us to get class cast exception. Let's run this and see how exactly it works. So before generics, you're going to call, and I'm trying to add a string and integer. Of course, while converting from integers to string, we will be getting a class cast exception. It is inside the catch block. Now if you see, yeah, we got the integer cannot be converted to cast to string. Again, we are going to come back and we are going to use generics, and it is like smooth programming. If you see this, if you see the decompile code, I have opened the same code using the decompiler. If you see here, the type string has been removed in the decompile code. Okay, this is only for compilation purpose. After the compilation, the compiler will remove these types. This is called type eraser. Okay. Hope this video is useful for your interview preparation. Thank you and all the best.